Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're working on that deck behind us, and all those LED lights over the years unfortunately have finally burned out, and none of them are lighting up at night. As you can see, it's a really sunny day. Plenty of sun to charge those LED lights. What I'm going to do is show you the actual deck here in a few seconds, and then I'm going to show you what the deck looks like tonight without any of those LEDs lit up. All right, starting right here. These are old, probably 3 to 4 years old, and this is what the weather does to them. They're plastic. These are the 4-inch, and when they're brand new, they look really nice with the actual brown and white railing. And some are worse than others. As you can see, this is not as weathered as this one. And continuing to go up, that one's not too bad. That one's really bad. And I will continue up the actual deck. We're going to replace every single one of these LED lights, and we have counted 35 up top on the deck. And as you can see, they go around the entire radius of the entire deck, as well as all the way over to this side. Now the deck needs some cosmetic attention, and we are aware of that. That is our next project. They go all the way around. That one's really bad shape, weathered, even up here and around. All right, YouTubers, we're back down below off the deck, and again, the sun is shining. These LED lights have plenty of opportunity to charge. What I'm going to do is wait until night, and I'm going to show you how dark this area is. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to remove every single one of those LED lights and install brand new ones. I'll see you in a few hours at nighttime. All right, YouTubers, it is 10 o'clock at night, and the sun was shining from 7 a.m. until about 9:30, so that's 12 and a half hours of sunlight. And as you can see, 100% of those LED lights are burnt out. All right, YouTubers, it's morning time, and we are going to remove every single one of these old LED deck lights, Phillips screw on each side. You don't have to remove them fully. All you have to do is back them out a little bit and pull the deck light up and off. As far as the new ones, we spent a little extra money. We upgraded to these, and we bought the entire store stock, and here's what we bought. These will look pretty nice. Brown instead of white. Go pretty nice with this. And a quick tip, if any of these screws give you trouble, I've got a rubber band on my wrist, and I can put the rubber band on the actual tip of the screwdriver and add some pressure and hopefully remove any stripped or fussy screws that give you troubles. Just like that, that rubber band adds an additional grip. All right, YouTubers, every single one of the old lights are removed. We're going to throw them away. They're no use to us. And we have unwrapped a brand new one, and we are going to install the new ones the same way we took off the old ones. They come with 2 screws, and if you do it right, you can get lucky and insert these new screws in the same holes the old screws on those old lights came out of. Back in all the new lights, and again, we bought the entire stock at Home Depot, and these are nice. The screws are right there, and we'll just pull them out. They do have this little plastic covering. As you install these, just pull them off. And as you insert these and screw the Phillips screws in, make sure it's centered and get them pretty snug. But be careful, do not over tighten those because you will break this. You don't want that. After securing both Phillips screws, again on the top, that little plastic sheet, go ahead and pull that off and throw it in the garbage. Last thing, turn it to the left. You're going to need to pull this top off and pull this out. That's going to activate the actual battery. Align these little slots with these little tabs here. Turn clockwise, and that's it. Making progress. Every single one of the lights have been replaced, and I'll tell you a secret, just so you're not surprised when you do this project. They come off a lot quicker than they go on, so maybe if you have 2 to 3 friends that want to help you out, awesome. However, from here, we're just going to let them sit in the sun and charge. What do you think? I think they look a lot better. I'm very, very happy with that design. I like the color. And check this out. Here's a trash bag full of the old lights and a ton of empty boxes from the new lights. Time to trash those. So from here, we'll see you at 10 o'clock tonight. All right, YouTubers, it turned out very well. It doesn't really show too good of detail in this video. However, I try to zoom in, it doesn't do much good. However, let's take a walk. And approaching the very first couple steps of the deck, pretty bright LED light. I like it. Let's keep heading up top and we'll show you what it looks like up top on the deck. And again, the entire radius of the deck all the way down the stairs and back up look very well. We're very pleased. Let's head to the back. And this is the exit point or entrance point to the deck. Here is a quick little side view. Again, that's the entrance I was just mentioning, or the exit, and leading to the front portion of the deck. Looks really nice. So we hope the video helped. Do us a favor, YouTubers. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Hey, once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That would be awesome. Thanks again for watching, YouTubers. All right, YouTubers, it has been a few weeks since we actually removed the old deck lights and installed the new deck lights. And we referenced in several videos throughout the years that this cosmetically ugly deck needed some attention. And I just wanted to show you we finally did it. We power washed the deck, added that nice stain removing product from our local Lowe's, and then took an actual paint chip to Lowe's and they matched the paint. And it looks so much better than what it did. So again, it was cosmetically ugly. And again, you've seen it in several of our videos when we're working on things out on the deck or related to the deck. And it took us about 5 hours to do everything.